Hey guys, it's Jeff here from Minnesota, and I want to say thanks for visiting this website. And I'm going to share some very powerful information with you. So just give me a few minutes of your time. Right now, there's a lot of people looking for ways to make money from home. And I want to share with you a way that I found that can get you to $1,000 a month in 60 days. Now, let me ask you a question. What would an extra $1,000 do for you in your life right now? Maybe you pay off some bills, you go on a vacation, but if that residual income could come into you month after month, that would be pretty exciting. How would that make you feel? Now, I found a system that I want to share with you on the next page. It's actually a little movie I put together to show you step by step how people are using our system to achieve at least $1,000 a month in 60 days. And I want you to watch this movie. All you have to do is just put your name and email address in the boxes right over here and fill in the forms there. And then on the next page, I'm going to share with you my step-by-step system for how people are killing it working from home in this residual income opportunity. So go ahead and opt in right now.